What I really love about this property as well is they use quartz instead of granite, and so that's going to allow you to be able to spill a whole wine glass or whatever else, oil, grease, and it's going to be an easy wipe up. It's a big deal for all you cookers out there. And check out these views. You get downtown right over there, and you get Deep Ellum over here. Location's great. Also, in this price point, it's pretty rare to have yourself some interior hallways that are air conditioned, the carpeted floors, and also have some valet trash.